My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back.
And I want to say something here. Very, very important. Let it be on record. And this, my message, is going out to Simon Ekpa. I have been talking with you, and we will continue talking as brothers. But I want you to listen to this. Very, very, very important. The order of sit at home was said Monday sit at home. Only Monday sit at home. From the leadership of this movement. Our leader said no, otherwise. But I see that you have been pushing that sit at home should be extended to Tuesday and Friday, or is it Monday and Friday, or whatever. Believe you me, in so many things that I don't disagree with you, I always tell you, I don't say it as gossip. No, I tell you in confidence, and you know me. This you are inclusive of sit at home Tuesday and Friday. We are talking about the one day that is cancelled, and they're adding either Friday or Tuesday. You should stop that. You should stop pushing that thing, because it's not going to work. It is not going to work. Don't push it. Don't put confusion, because that order of Monday and Tuesday, that order of Tuesday and Friday you are pushing out is kind of bringing confusion. Besides, we have only but one channel where information and order is given in this struggle, not two channels, not three channels. We have only but one channel, one central command that is backed up with camaraderie. The only authority that is moving us forward, that gives instruction that people of Biafra listens to, that is from the office of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, in his absence, the office of DOS, led by Chike Doziem. I know that your followers will come after me now, begin to attack me, but you know me, I don't hide my feelings, and I don't lie, I don't shy away from truth. Because for a very long time, people have been telling me, Mazi Darlington, why are you not talking about Simon Ekpa Tuesday and Friday sit at home? Why are you talking about it? I tell them, go and use your mouth and talk. Don't come and push me to talk something when I'm not ready to say it. I have to talk about you. Because the order you are giving, on whose authority is that order coming from? On whose authority? Did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu give you any written notes that you should declare an extra sit at home, when the one that was given by the authority that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left behind, Mazi have cancelled it? I'm asking. Even though the order you're giving, you believe that is going to help to speed up what we are doing, good and fine. But it is causing problem here and there. I beg you, stop it. I'm not attacking you, and I've not come to attack you, but you have to stop it. You have to stop it. The Monday sit at home that people say they are going to be maintaining, that one alone, for as long as I'm concerned, our leader said otherwise, but me, I supported that Monday because that Monday is the starting of the Nigeria Stock Exchange Day and it's affecting them economically. But trying to say you are giving extra order and extra day, on whose authority is that order coming from? Simon, the last time I checked, you are not the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. The last time I checked, you are not the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. The last time I checked, you are not a member of DOS. The last time I checked, you are not the leader of DOS. My line is open. If you want to call, you can call. And we debate it out right here on this platform. We can iron it out in the open. You bring your own narrative, I bring my own narrative. At the end of the day, we know who is in the right channel. Because if I am not talking or touching about it, it will look as if I'm afraid of you. I'm not, you know, say me, I don't fear you, I don't fear anybody. But I have not come to quarrel with you. I have not come to attack you. You are doing a great job. You are doing a wonderful job. But stop adding your own sit at home order to what DOS have said already, that our leader even cancelled. You are always telling us that you are following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You are a disciple of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then from when did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu give you power of attorney to be speaking to Biafrans in his powers, or his authority? Since when? The last time I checked, nothing like that happened. And the last time I checked, it was DOS that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left behind and gave every authority to carry out our day in, day out activities. Those people that have common sense will understand that I am not here to attack EPA. Those people that have common sense right here, we understand that I am telling you the truth and nothing but the truth. We all want Mazi to come out of the dungeon. We all want Mazi to be released. We all want Biafra to be restored. Yes, Simon is doing a great job. But Simon, stop giving orders. Or should I say counter order. When the DOS have given order, stop it, please. Because I did not see any memo or any authority that was bestowed on you to give order to Biafrans on the day to sit at home or the day not to sit at home. You and myself, we know this truth. Not even only you, Simon. Any other person that will come from nowhere and say he's giving order for more days, I don't support it. I kick against it. And that is the hard truth that so many people cannot say. And when I say it, they say, if you are insulting yourself on this platform, because I am telling you the gospel truth that you cannot even conceive and digress, then your brain need to be checked. I'm not going to block anybody. I will leave you to continue with your insult. The leadership of this movement, in the absence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is DOS. Anyone that say I am attacking EPA, may attack be your portion. Because you don't have common sense, you don't know the meaning of attack. I have not insulted him. I am not attacking him. I'm giving him an open advice. Copy it and send it to him. This particular place I'm talking about, EPA, today, copy it out and send it to EPA. Tell him that this is what I say. And he will tell you that this guy is making his opinion. He's saying his opinion. Because I've not insulted him. What I'm saying is an advice for him to stop adding one more day or more 2 days or giving orders. No. He doesn't have any right to do that. You don't. So all of you that are supporting him, standing with him, whatever he says is what you do. That is your opinion. I cannot attack you. I cannot insult you. It is up to you. But for him to be giving order against the order of the DOS, when the order is even cancelled by our leader, then what are you saying? What do you think? It doesn't make sense. So this is my advice to you. And I'm ready for those people who are kicking against what I'm saying now. It's an advice to call in. Then we can iron it out. I have a caller on the line.
Honestly, I'm a kind of disappointed. I don't really know where this thing is coming from. I remember the time that DOS suspend Brother Downlitty. Simon Ekpa protested that they should call him back, that he have not said anything that is wrong, and he tried to make peace. He tried to see reasons with how DOS can handle the issue in a very amicably way. I'm so surprised that Bradality is just coming out to say this. Honestly, I'm so surprised. Instead, he called on Simon Ekpa through phone number and talked to him directly like a brother that they are. He came out to do a live video. Do you really think that this is the best way? I mean no harm, just my own humble opinion. Alright, my mother family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Share this video and like with your friends and family. See you when I see you. Bye.